Okay, so we're gonna be singers.
Yeah, the beatboxing thing wasn't working out for me. So
yeah, we couldn't go pro. You know, we were just too good for him. So
yeah, now we have to show our talent.
You guys aren't gonna be able to believe how good we are.
Yes, this is Beautiful Life. Beautiful. This is
not beautiful. It's not beautiful.
This is Beautiful Liar by Beyonce and Shakira. Woo! She's Latina and she's Puerto Rican. No, she's some kind of Spanish. Yeah. Okay. No. Yep. You back that ass up. Wait.
I'm gonna.
Okay. So we're about to start right now. Okay.
See if you can tell who's who.
Yeah. Nobody likes being played. Beyonce, Shakira. He said, I'm worth it. His one desire.
I know things about him that he wouldn't want to read about.
He gives me his one only, yes, beautiful liar.
Tell me why.
Now, why everyone makes suffer? After let go, he won't be the one to cry. Let's not kill drama. It's my start of fire. It's no good drama for a beautiful liar.
Can we laugh about it? Oh, it's not worth it. Oh, we can't live without it. Just a beautiful life. I trusted him, but when I fall you, I'm dying together.
I didn't know about the until we got to again.
I want it on your love scene. So desperate.
You stole everything. How could you do that? You're wrong.
No,
When the pen is hard broke over,
I have to.
the innocence is gone. Let's not kill the karma. Let's not start a fight. It's not worth the drama for a beautiful liar.
Can we laugh about it? We can't live without it. Beautiful life. Tell me how to forgive you when it's me who's a
And I wish I could free you of the hurt and the pain. But the answer is simple. He's the one to Let's not start a fight. It's not worth the drama for ugly ass liars.
Can we laugh about our work, our
Oh,
live without
just a beautiful liar. We was good, guys.
I think we're gonna go pro.